Pratima. Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Do like and share. This session is digital input and digital output, guys. If you have doubt what is input and output devices, then you can check my video. It is in description box. Okay, so we are going to discuss what is digital input and digital output. That is two types, that is digital input and digital output. Here we have two types inputs, that is digital and analog. So it is also called discrete input or digital, analog input or continuous input. Okay, so here today we are going to discuss only digital inputs and digital output, guys, means discrete input and discrete output. So in practical way, it's nothing but our lamp switches and our tube lights, our motors, that comes under digital inputs and digital outputs. Okay, so let's see what is digital input and digital output. See here, we have only two conditions in digital. Okay, we have two conditions, means already you know about Boolean expression, that comes under digital only, means it will define only two states, that is 0 and 1 condition. 0 indicates that off condition and 1 indicates that on condition in output. Okay, we are not talking about input. 0 indicates off condition and 1 indicates on condition in output. Okay, so there is a different application when you are taking input, so it will change 0 and 1. That's why I'm not telling that disable condition and 1 is a enable condition. No, not like that. In input it will change according to our application, but output 0 is nothing but off condition, 1 is nothing but on condition. Remember this one. Okay, so digital has only two states, that is 0 and 1 condition. Okay, on or off. You are going to do the appliances on or off. See, when it will come digital, when we are giving the mediator, when we are applying the mediator. So here I am taking one PLC module. Okay, you can take microcontroller also, you can take anything without PLC. So here I taken PLC module and I will take one switch, that is manual switch, and again I will take one sensor, that is automatic, means without touching anything our load should get on. Now I taken one lamp with switch, means digital input and digital output. So this is lamp output, and I taken one motor, this is motor output. Okay, now I will give supply to the SMPS, and from SMPS I will give to the module. See here, guys, when we are taking the switch, it has two conditions, that is on or off. Okay, now when you are oning the switch, what happened? PLC will activate, means you have to write the program in PLC, and according to it you have to on and your lamp getting on. Okay, so when you are enable the switch, this NO become NC and your lamp is getting on, means here your condition is 0 condition. Okay, here condition is 0 condition. When you are oning the switch, what happen? You are giving the 1, means you are applying the force, your lamp getting on. Okay, in default condition we can say it is in 0 position, so it is 0 only. Okay, so this what happen in your home, if you want to on the switch, what you will do? You are going to the board and you are oning the switch. Before that it is in off condition, means it is in NO condition, your lamp or fan is in off condition only. But when you are going to on, when you are applying the force to on the switch, what happened? That switch become NC and your lamp is getting on. Here we are taking PLC. Why? Because without PLC also you can do it, that is also called digital input and digital output only. But here we taken PLC because if you want to change in the output, means when I oning the switch, my output should get on after some times. Okay, or if you want to get on immediately, or if you want to get on after some counts. Okay, so in that condition we can utilize the PLC. Okay, here we have sensor, means let's take example in your home or in your gate. If you are coming, that sensor is in NO condition. When sensing your motion or when sensing your body, what happen? This NO become NC and your gate will be open. Here I taken motor. Why? Because when float sensor is activated, your motor getting off. or on, because I connected in NO condition. When it will touch, it get on. Condition NC condition, it become NO and it become off. Okay, so like that we have to take it. I think digital has only two condition, that is 0 and 1 condition. Whatever input and output you are taking, that defines in only two conditions. So example, you can take it, your switch, all types of switch, MCBs, contactors, switches like push buttons, toggle switch, sensors. Okay, and all types of sensors, guys, there is some different sensors also, that is temperature sensor not comes under digital input and digital output, so that is different. In some only which is defining on off condition, that comes under digitals. Okay guys, hope you understand. If you like the video, please do like and share, and please subscribe to my channel. See guys, if you have any doubt, you can mention in comment box also. Thank you for watching my video.